top bus. Too many wild parties on the yacht. Me and Bo got kicked out the yacht.
Air it out. Pull up at your spot and I air it out. Bang on the gas and it's very loud. Stop saying my name before you wear it out.
I've been sipping lean, tryna slow me down. I need me a bitch that'll hold me down. Gang coming strong, yeah, we rollin' out. Throw a party like rollin' loud.
Don't come unless you send focus, so just a tenfold. Send your bitch the info. Feeling real blow, sweet juice, that's the info.
Bless up, tell me I'm a god, get on knees for confession.
Set the vid to a nigga, had to teach a lesson.
Me and Bo, only one bad hoes in our section.
Juice, why these pussy ass niggas always pressing?
I don't know, let them talk, I'ma go get my Smith and Wesson.
Blacks boys under 21, steady flexing. I'm getting too rich, can do flights for connections.
40 on my hip, I won't fight, bitch, I'm reckless. Codeine without silk, that shit coming straight from Texas.
Reach for my chain, you'll get beat just like Nexus.
Lamborghini dreams, but you still drive a Lexus.
I'm a young king, I might fuck a Lexus Texas.
But I ain't on no Drake shit, I won't get her pregnant.
Damn young Juice WRLD, boy you reckless. And I feel you until I get her naked. When I get up in it, I might have to stay in.
Well, if she going like that, let's run a train then.
I think I nutted in her, I might need a playpen and a stroller. How I get this deep, we rode her like a rover.
No games, but I Xbox controller. She do the gang like a nerd doing homework. 40 in my pants, that bitch thought it was a boner. If I go broke, I'ma jug off Motorola. But now I'm up in France, Livo, that's my mans. We get the green and then we fly around like Peter Pan.
That's cool, but I just thought about some way.
What?
This baby got your face, so fuck that little baby boys. Back to the place, back to the trap, back to the game.
Running up, bitch, got my quad. All the bad hoes on the top.